Hey everybody, Cajun Coin Hunter here today with you, aka Boudreaux. How y'all are today? Well, I guess y'all remember this. A little Black & Decker coffee pot. The high thermal cutoff fuse. One of them went out. Not both of them, just one of them. They got two in series. One here, one here. And I was kind of surprised that one blew, not the other. But anyhow, we got them in. Been in for a little while, just hadn't made the video yet. So, oh well. We making it now. Alright, let me go ahead and get this hat off. Get my spyware on. My jeweler's visors. Which I'm not a jeweler, but, well, okay. Just call them jeweler's visors. I have to turn this a little bit. I don't know if y'all better see everything I do. Get my fingers out of the way here. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to have to change that tip. This here is just it's a little warm. 2.4 millimeter. I tell you what. There you go. Turn that down. All right. I'm gonna get my 5.2 millimeter in there. That's a big one. That'll handle the heat. That is going to handle the heat. I hope. Like I said last time, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, that's got warm already. 1 second. Don't take but 3 seconds for them tips to heat up the temperature. It don't take long, that's for sure. Alright, I'll tell you what, let me give it a boost. I should get that turned up a little bit more. I got some solder. If I'm not mistaken, these things are spot welded on here. Usually adding solder will help. But if these are spot welded, I don't know. Just gonna have to cut them off and ooh, yeah, that's hot, boy. I tell you what, that is hot. Get my hemostats. Oh. There we go. There. Yeah, that bigger tip helps. And my soldering iron's not up all the way. Could pump it up another. Let's see, it's on. 395. I could get another 80 degrees Celsius out of it. Oh, and that's 395 Celsius too. That's when it goes up to almost 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. 75 watt iron. What I'm going to do, I think I'm going to just think about cutting that one. Think about cutting it, twisting it. That one's already on there. Yeah, let me do that. Because I'm going to twist them anyway. Make a mechanical connection and a electrical connection. Now that one, that one's going to be hot as hell too. Okay. Alright, now for the new ones. Let's see, that tip cooled off? Yeah, it sure did. That's a T12 tip. That's what those look like. And they go inside of that handle. Right there, you just pull them out, put one in. And those there can take the heat too. Grab two of these. 192 degrees Celsius and 15 amps. Okay, my alignment's pliers. Okay, what I'm gonna do, they had them like this, so, but we're gonna play here, twisting this. Boy, there's some thick leads on here. It's not like regular resistors. Like regular resistors and capacitors. Sure ain't. Come on, you. These are thicker than the other ones. To move it where I can get to it. Sorry about that, y'all. That one fell off. It don't matter once I get it twisted and soldered. It'll be a lot better than just soldered. A lot better. Alright, let me get that one soldered. Turn that heat up a little bit. Give it a boost. Whoops, lost my light. Alright, I got my light back. computer monitor. Just got it on a Google home page. Just a new tab opened up. Oh yeah, that'll work right there. So throw my airway. Boy, that's gonna be hot, 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 hot. So, have to retwist this. Yeah, I should have did that before. Should have did it before. Gonna be this is gonna be a booger. This is baking a chicken too. Yeah, buddy. All right, like that. Well, trying to get where y'all can see it. I don't have a camera set up like all the professional YouTubers do. Okay, that ain't gonna bust loose anytime soon. Well, I tell you what, that 5.2 millimeter tip, that sucker gets it. Good old fashioned lemonade. Kool-Aid lemonade. Good vitamin D in it. Need some oysters. Eat oysters to live longer. I mean, they love longer. They say. Black's Oyster Shop in Abbeville and Dupuis, they used to have bumper stickers. Eat oysters, love longer. Okay. Now, yeah, that's going to be hot as heck, too. Okay, they got a hole right there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to see if this thing's going to fit in that hole. Cool down good. Well, kind of halfway good. There we go. All right. That'll work. All right. I don't know if y'all can see that. I wonder if I can. Can't zoom in or out on that mode. I wonder why. Oh, I think I know why. I got the ratio up a little bit. Anyway, right here, they had a hole and stuck it down, and then I bent it up like that. So that's mechanically strong. Now I'm going to make it electrically strong. Boost on there. Yeah, anybody can fix their own coffee pot if they got a soldering iron, a pair of cutting pliers, and a voltmeter, ohm meter, DMM, digital multimeter. That was a bitty piece of solder. I'm dealing with some thin solder. Very, very thin. Let that cool down. There they are. Anyway, I got to show that earlier. Alright. I mean, I did show this. That's the thermal fuse. There it is. Made contact. One of these, let's see which one it was. It was this one. Yeah, this one's out. That one's out. And this one was good. But changed both of them. Bought 10 of them. And these are not just used in coffee pots, they're used in electric element heaters, like bathroom heaters, little plug-in kind that kind of vibrate and have a element that glows orange, and so-called a little bitty fan in it. Yeah. So, okay. Make sure I got a good connection. I should have cleaned that up before I did that. Oh yeah. Nice and solid. Nice and solid. Okay, let me get this right here away from this hose. Alright. Come solid. Okay, now let's see if we can attempt to get this thing back together. Go there, there. Solder right here, if I can remember. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on pause. I'll be right back with you. I'm going to see if I can get this thing flipped over. Alright, we back. Yeah, see the timer counting down. Okay, I couldn't get the video back in that other mode to where I could explode on it. You know, zoom it in. I knew something was up when I didn't see my ×2 and all that on there. So, alright, well, kind of late now. Alright, but here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this back in the frame. And test this. And there we go. We didn't have that before. Now we got it now. Oh, and this is the diode mode here, and it doesn't automatically beep. It's just a function button. Now it's not going to beep if you put a diode in line, or you can just check for continuity. It's going to show 0, but if you put a diode, it's going to show the voltage, forward voltage on it. So, but anyway, in order for it to beep, diode mode function. That's how this one is. I think Johnny's Fluke is like that too. I forget which one he's got, the 112 or 113. I don't think he's got the 77. Anyway, he's got two Flukes. Both of them don't work, but they lifetime warranted. I told Johnny that. He didn't realize it, so he knows now. Gave him the phone number and the address so he could contact them, and he never did, and that's been about 8 months ago. Said he's been too busy. Okay. Now, let's see. Gotta get this back together. Okay, there's the holder. Here's the bottom port right here. Here's the screws. The bottom plate and ring. Oh, we got here a little O-ring and stuff. That's the decoration. Could be the keep the water out or coffee out. Might have to put some glue on that. Might have to put some glue on that. Maybe not. You know what? Looks like, does it have a groove in there? No groove. Okay. That's gonna hold the O-ring in. Yep, that is a little sealer right there. Keep the coffee from going out like that. Okay. This had a mica insulator. Got the bracket that holds that down. This had a mica insulator. And I got some thermal paste right here. I'll tell you what, you get this stuff on your hands, it don't want to come off, no. I've got this stuff on my hand many times. I've got some on my finger right now. Okay. And I just got some more. Boy, they didn't cut that very good, I'll tell you that much. Okay. Sorry, y'all can't see that. Okay, I got it on my finger on purpose that time, I guess. The tubes ain't cheap neither, about $6. Okay. Paper. Towel. Yeah, that stuff will get on your hands. not impossible to get off, but it makes a mess. See if I can get this in there. Turn this over again. Not gonna work like that. If I can get it back on its side, maybe, and just move this out of the way careful. That way y'all can see a little bit too what's going on. Am I gonna have to glue this back? Glue this in there to hold it. I think I will. Alright. Well, and get my super glue. Dab every couple of inches. I think we're gonna have to let this cure. I might have to put y'all on pause. The extent of my editing, pausing. Y'all know that from my cooking videos. Oh no, let me check. That held pretty good. Alright, let me get this side. Dab there. There, little dab, but do you? Who's that? Little dab, but do you? That was real cream. Back in the 70s, I used to put that in my hair. Early 70s. My daddy he used Vaseline hair tonic. Shaped his hair, you know, the 50s style, but that was the style back in the 30s, 40s. That's the style that people still wear their hair like that, put that wave in the front. I used to do that with the comb, now I ain't got no hair in the front to do that with. Imagine that. God, Lord. Okay, that didn't take long for that, so this side shouldn't take that long either. Alright, put this back in the container where it goes. Loctite, baby. Don't got no none of that $3 for $1 super glue. Nah, that stuff probably just gel or something. Don't know, but it don't work real good. And once you use a tube, the Loctite has got a good cap on it. You can reuse it, reuse it, reuse it. Miss Missy, can you take the time and get me some lemonade, please? And some ice. Alright. Pretty sure this This ain't gonna fall out now. Alright. I'm gonna have to turn this upside down, y'all. Sorry about that. Just for a minute. Back in there. This bracket where it goes. And you know what? Something it's not right there. Something's not quite right. Okay, this bracket is about a ½ inch too high unless they had some spacers there. Where's okay, yeah, there we go, spacers. Alright, yeah, that's the ones. I think that's the ones. If it's perfect like that, yeah, I guess it's gonna be these 2 longer screws. Be my best guess. Wish y'all could see this. I'm gonna have to get me another setup some kind of way. If I start just doing this, I'm not gonna. Maybe if I throw 2-way radio videos, ham radios, or what have you, I'll have to get an overhead camera. Let me see something. I see a slot in there. Bet you that slot goes. Like that. It sure does. Uh-huh. Well, I see you say the blind man.
I think it's actually on quick.
To the deaf lady on the telephone. that ain't gonna come unscrewed. Alright, got that done. Alright, here's what I've been doing. Right there. I had some spacers that went on that end, had a slot in that block. Right there. Some light. Little black spacers, they had a slot, and they had a spade like on each end of this board, this bracket right here. And it fell in those two holes. And I got the bottom end right here, bottom plate with the decanter, the cafe, decanter, coffee pot goes on. Okay. Alright, that's all good. Connection. Alright, I gotta put these clamps back over here. Those clamps right there. This ain't gonna be a very good video. Appreciate y'all sticking around with me. And if y'all don't mind, hit that like button. If y'all ain't subscribed, subscribe. I'll have some more videos. Information videos coming up later on. Stuff like this. Okay. Now, guess all we need is the bottom on it. Button it up. Throw some water in it. And see if it's gonna work. Okay, let's let me take a good look in here first. Alright, it looks like it's it. Alright, I'm gonna throw the cover back on. You know what? Hold on a minute. I thought this thing had some cross screws. What was it that I was working on? Oh, yeah. Sure enough. There's one there. There's a Phillips. That was a fork. Yeah, a Y. Fork. Okay. You know what? Let me see. And those were right here, if I'm not mistaken. Those are right here. Okay, I'm gonna put these in right here. This is a Phillips. I don't know why they use two Phillips. I guess they don't want nobody in this thing. Uh oh, and that's not the right one. Where is my small? Number 1 and number 0. You know, I wonder if I got, I bet you 2 to 1 I got some screws just like that. Go check. With a Phillips head. I probably got some screws just like that with a Phillips head instead of breaking out that kit. About a 16th to an 1/8 shorter, but I got them. Yep, I got them. I do that other one. Here it is. Okay. You know, it's not a very expensive coffee pot. It's like a $15 coffee pot, $10 coffee pot at the dollar store. Black and Decker, you know, so. Let's see. Whoops. Just raised up a little bit. Alright. Okay. Let me, you know what? I'll be back in 2 and 2. I gotta get my my little short cord. Be right back. And we are back. I gotta get my short extension cord. I made this up for a reason. When we got that new air conditioning in the bedroom, you know how cords, air conditioning cords, are not very long. Well, this one was way up in the wall. So I didn't think the cord was going to be long enough to reach the receptacle at the bottom, about, you know, 18 inches from the floor. So I made this one up. It's 4 foot. It's all heavy duty. It's hospital grade. Commercial plugs, you can see, 20 amp. And this whole rig, believe it or not, was $21, I think. And that's with the tax. But I ain't gonna have to worry about nothing on this. This is, you know, a $3.50 or $4 receptacle. It's not a 50-cent Walmart one. They used to be like 69 cents at Walmart. Oh man, good stuff. And JSO cord, 3-wire, 12 gauge. I mean, heavy duty. I ain't got to worry about nothing getting hot with this. All right, we're gonna plug this in here. Outlet over here. Plug this in the receptacle. Okay, Miss Missy. It don't have a light on it, I don't think. Miss Missy, where's that the glass pot for this? Where's the glass pot for this coffee pot? Okay, can you, about halfway of water, please? Bring it to me. I don't know where it's at. Okay. This, look, this has got 2 feet on the back. These are right here. There and there. And that's all they had was 2. And I was hiding those other screws. Alright, we fixing to pour some water in this thing and try it. Wish I did edit videos, that way this one wouldn't be so long. But I enjoyed the ride. Hope y'all did too. And we're gonna see if this thing's gonna work. Okay, Missy, just put some water in about halfway.
Yeah, clean it first.
Okay, you didn't have to. I'm not making coffee with it. I'm just trying it out. I got the video running. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all on pause for a minute. Alright, we are back. Alright, Mrs. She was cleaning it out real good. Alright, pour half a pot in there. That was almost a full pot. Okay. Got that right there. Plug it in. And let's hit the button, the butt. Oh, and the red light came on. I think it was on before. I'm not sure. I think it was on before. Because I didn't try it. I just knew it was out. Oh, and there we go. We got drippage. And it didn't want to drip before. Oh, and that water's hot too. Yo, that water's hot. Yeah, y'all can see the steam from that, can't you? Huh?
I like it when it stays hot all day long.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. We got it going on. We got to. Oh, yeah. Look at the steam. Yeah, I prefer this coffee pot because it's a 12-cup pot. And that other coffee pot we got, it looks a little bit more fancy than this one, which fancy don't mean nothing. Fancy don't make coffee taste great. I tell you what does make coffee taste great. That's a bun coffee maker. B-U-N-N, bun. Mr. Bun himself had it took him, I think, 4 or 5 years to perfect the coffee pot. The right temperature for the coffee beans, the grounds, the right temperature of the water to release the flavors. And you don't want your water too hot. Your water's got to be, it's around 190 degrees, 185, 190, something like that for perfect pot of coffee. And I think that Mr. Bun achieved that. I used to have a Bun coffee pot, 3 minutes or less. I got it at Walmart when I had my radio shop. And I got the Bun coffee maker was $55, and the Hitachi rice cooker, 10-cup or 12-cup rice cooker, was another $50. So that was a $100 bill I blew on two appliances for the kitchen. I called it an appliance. Coffee pot and a Hitachi rice cooker. And Hitachi is the best. They don't make them anymore in the home versions. They got the big 30-cup Hitachis they make, but no.
That's not that long I bought that pot.
Yeah, this is about 3 years old, 4 years old.
No, this it is.
Oh,
Not
well.
that one.
Yeah, well, we don't have the receipt to see when we bought it, but anyway, like I said, this one makes 12-cup, the other one 10-cup, and I love my coffee. I'll drink 2 pots a day, easy, sometimes 3. Johnny comes over in the mornings or whatever. Yeah, Johnny's good for a couple, 3 cups. So, yeah, between me, Missy, and Johnny, yeah. And you don't get 10, you ain't getting 10 of these. No, you're not. Not no Cajun coin hunter mugs, no. You're not getting 10 cups of this or 12 out of this. No, You're only gonna get 5. Or 6. Alright, everybody. Well, I appreciate y'all tuning in. And if you don't mind, hit that like button and subscribe. If you probably maybe learned a little bit of something today. I know it wasn't very good with the lighting and the camera angles, but we trying. Okay. Alright, everybody. Y'all know the routine is good, but great being north of the grass. Y'all stay safe, be that way. Be that way, stay safe. And as always, love, peace, and crackling grease. We'll catch y'all later. A Pluta.